Hi everyone, welcome to Three Rocking Sisters. I am Angela and today I will be showing you how to make pom-poms. So let's go to our video. So for making pom-poms we need yarn, this type of yarns, and you could also use this type of thread, but it will be not perfect like the one we are making, like like so fluffy, or it will be like simple. It is not looking good if we make pom-poms with this type of thread. So don't use this type of thread and use these type of threads. You could choose any color. You could make pom-poms a single color, and also you could make it with different colors. And so in this video I will be showing you how to make pom-poms with fork. So it may sound funny, but it is when if we want to make small pom-poms we should make it with a fork. So here I am going to take white and red. So first I will be showing you a single color. First let me choose red, and here is it, and put the pom-pom like this. Then we should just do like this. I have accidentally twisted the colors, and we should put the pom-poms here, and from the back we should put the thread. And take this, it will be like this, and take this one and just make it round, round, round. We should make it, if you want how much thickness we want, we could make that much thickness. Now it's getting thicker and thicker. So we have done, it's now very thicker, and we should cut the excess and just tie it. It's stronger. Now cut the excess. So here is it, and we need another same thread, or you could choose any color. I am using the same color, and take the fork and put the thread in through the middle portion of the fork, and it is like this. And cut how much length. If you want to put it simply, you could put simply. I am using for keychain too, so I am just making a long one, and we need to tie it here too. Now Now it's stronger, and again we need to put a knot. Three knots we need to put. So it will be like this, and take off from the fork. Now just make a round. Now here cut here to cut. And here it is getting to pom-pom. So we have done our pom-pom, and if you want to shape it, just trim or shape it. So this is our pom-pom, and I do love pom-pom so much. And in the screen it is like orange color. It's actually red color. Pom. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe our channel, and click the bell icon which is near to the subscribe button. So bye.